Alright y'all, thanks for watching the video. This is the unboxing of the Bear Creak Arsenal 22 mag AR 16-inch. We saw this online at church and the day that it came out and decided to order it because we've wanted a 22 mag AR for years and they just didn't make them. They were very difficult to find. We ordered it on Sunday afternoon after church and I think we had it by Thursday. These are the pictures of it here. It's a side charger. It's the first side charger that we have. It's a beautiful little rifle. It feels very well made, heavy duty. No rough edges. Everything is smooth. The fit and finish just couldn't be better. It's great. This is the underside of the upper. That's the ejector that you're looking at, and the bottom side of the bolt. And that's the flash hider. It uses the standard AR flash hider, same size threads. You could put whatever on it.
Barrel itself, it's like this one piece here. It's not connected on the side.
This is Tyler looking at it outside for the first time. Side charger with the bolt hanging out a little bit. Comes fully assembled like that. You don't have to put the hand guards on or anything like that. Only assembly required is buffer spring and buffer.
Then the first time you fire,
we put it on a loader that we already had at the time. Insert the buffer spring, insert the buffer, slap on the upper, and you're ready to go to the range. This is one of my favorite rifles. We have a lot of rifles. This is one of my favorite. I love shooting it. It feels great. It's accurate. The only disappointing part was the magazine. It comes with a 10-round mag. The mag looks kind of not well made, but we haven't had any trouble with it. It just looks different. But we haven't had any issues with it at all. It's a 10 round. You should buy 10 rounds to go quick. If you're going to buy an extra mag, go with a 14-round mag and get a couple of them. Because 10 rounds at the range last about 2 seconds. It takes much longer to load it than it does to get rid of 10 rounds. It's just so much fun to shoot.
it's easy to slide off.
So, if you have the money, buy the 14-round mag.
This is just the thing, so we get to pick up on the 14. Let's just screw out the bottom of this one and make 14 right there.
That's Tyler loading the mag. There it is. Looks great. It's a great looking rifle. It shoots great. It's well made. That's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Shout out to Bear Creak Arsenal for finally bringing us a 22 mag AR. Thanks a lot.